Shelby, a wild world only so recently collided, but it feels as if we are old souls that have been searching for one another for eternity. So I think it's safe to say that this love between us is as old as the universe itself. We are 16.8 billion years in the making. From this beginning, the ingredients of our love story began. A hidden tree, a music box, a helplessly smitten wanderer, a ski trip, a train ride, a back bowl hillside blanketed in snow. 1,000 splendid moments forming us. I love you for the way you ground me and turn so many small, indistinguishable events into pockets of joy. You enrich my life and you make me appreciate the moment. Every breath is sweeter, every heartbeat more profound.
Mike, as you know, I love games. So it's no surprise that as I was reflecting on our relationship, it reminded me of puzzle pieces. We all start out with these fresh cut edges that are difficult to press together, with each holding their own curves and gaps and edges. But over time, they smooth out and fit into the perfect space with each other to create a bond that's not easy to pull apart. That's how I feel about us.
We gather here today to celebrate the wedding of Shelby and Michael. Each and every one of you have come here to share in this forward commitment they make to one another. To offer your love and support for this union, to allow Shelby and Michael to begin their married life together, surrounded by the people dearest and most important to them.
Our lives up to this point were preparing us for the endless years of adventure and exploration that I'm so excited we get to do together. I promise to always support your dreams, big or small, and I promise to nurture those dreams. I promise to always listen and actually hear you. I promise to always take on the big things together, because marriage is a team sport. I promise to laugh when things get a little crazy and cry when things get a little sad. I promise to create a household with you as partners and as equals, with trust, unselfishness, and respect. I promise to take care of you when you're sick, even if it means you fear you're dying from a 99-degree fever. I promise to be your partner. I promise to always choose you. I love you.
I promise to always appreciate your morning spirit. It's truly insufferable. And I could not live without it. I promise to play games with you, but this comes with some conditions. This must be within reason, and I will be competitive. And I'll drink wine with you after, whether I win or lose. Real and perceived. I promise to love you unconditionally, both in darkness and in light. And I promise to make this life together adventurous, as we embark on another 16.8 billion years more, having finally collided. You're my guiding star, and I love you so much.